In this lecture, I'd like to highlight a very important note when it comes to website penetration testing. Websites are installed on web servers on normal computers, like we said before. These normal computers have IP addresses, and using the IP address, we can access our target website. Now, in many scenarios, your target website or your target server will contain a large number of websites. So it'll have the website that you're looking for, that you're targeting, but it'll also contain other websites on the same server, so on the same file system. What this means is, if you, for example, could not find any vulnerabilities in your target website, you can try to hack into any other website that is installed on the same server. If you could do that, then you'll be able to gain access to the server. Gaining access to the server basically means you have access to all the other websites because the server is just a computer and you can literally just navigate to the website that you want to hack and gain access to that website. So if you're trying to hack into a website and you couldn't find any exploits, then the next step will be trying to hack any other website that exists on the same server. So what I mean by exist on the same server is they have the same IP address. So let me show you here an example. I'm going to be showing an example of Zaid.com, so my blog, because there is a lot of websites on the same server. And if we look here on robtex.com, and I came down here to names pointing to the same IP address, you can see all of these websites exist on the same server as Zaid.com. So if you could manage to hack into any of these websites, you'll be able to navigate from out of that website and then into Zaid.com and then gain full access to my website. So let me just show you here. If I copy any of these domain names, for example, we have this one, riba.me, and I'm just going to go onto my terminal. Now, if I do a ping Zaid.com, you'll see that this is my IP address of my website. And if I do a ping on one of the websites that exist, and it's for now we're using riba.me. So if I go ping riba.me, you'll see that both websites have the same IP address. This means that both websites are installed on the same computer, and if we could hack into one of them, we can literally just navigate from that website into the other, from our Meterpreter shell or from our PHP shell or any type of shell that we're using. Another way of finding websites on the same domain is using Bing, and it's a really simple way. So if you just go on Bing, and I'm just gonna put IP, and then I'll put the IP of my target website. Again, you'll see all the other websites that exist on the same server as your target website, so you can literally hack into any of these websites and from there hack into my website and gain access to it. This is very important because in many cases your target could be very well secured, but the server itself is not secure, so you can manage to hack one of the other websites and then navigate through the server to your target.